First shard incoming.
So
Where is that first? It's on Neuro. Well, I've got it. 2 stacks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Liam.
I'm in.
Yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Grim.
I'm tanking.
Inferno Blade.
Next shard's incoming. It's on Grim. Move, Grim. Seven stacks on Clark. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Twitch, well done. Shards incoming. Oh, what? Neuro move, mate. 3,
Sorry, mate.
4. Not your problem, mate. 7, Liam. 8, Liam.
I'm in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm out.
Shard incoming.
It's on me. Well done, Clark. Clark's on it.
Keep Dom up.
I'm taking big hits.
Yeah, I'm banking.
Clark's on 12, 13.
Pally's tanking.
Pally's tanking. I think we've got all healers. Get ready to heal Pally. And Ricky.
I'm
I'll
tanking.
rage regen this next one. Where is it? It's on Grim. Move, Grim. Rage regen up. 3 stacks, Liam. 4, 5 stacks, 7 stacks, Liam. In you come, mate.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm out.
Taking big hits. Taking big hits here, jeez.
Dom, a rallying cry, keep Dom up. I rallying cried there. Move, Nura, you're way too close to that shard, mate.
Yeah, I'll still have the debuff anyways, mate. Because
Oh,
I failed the first time. Oh yeah, well I still
Clark
get it,
up.
so.
Keep me
Dom.
up, keep me up.
Yeah, 1 second, 0, bam, there we go.
Mm.
that was funny.
Phew.
Oh, Ricky's dead. Shit.
Get Ricky up,
right,
please, Grimbo.
Yeah, I've got this shard. Move, Nura, move.
I'm tanking.
Thank you, mate.
Pally
Ricky's
tanking.
back up.
Rebuff him if you can. What you
4
got, Nick?
stacks, Liam. 5 stacks, 6,
Get
7,
me up, guys. Get
I'm
me up.
coming
Yeah,
in.
Nice.
5, 6, 7. I'm out.
Okay, you can tank again.
Yep, I'm tanking.
Okay, who's gonna take the shard, guys? Grim is taking it, right?
Yeah, no, it's going to be Clark taking the next one.
Okay, thank you. Shard
Moving
next
her
to
up.
me, moving away.
Keep Dom up. Keep Dom up.
Big hits.
Light roll on your right.
Clark's
then.
on 5, 6.
At the
Clark's
moment,
on
I
8, 9,
can't really
10,
stack them anymore,
11.
which is annoying.
Right, Ricky's going to get a few extra stacks because they swapped a little bit early. Shards
Oh.
incoming. Move
It's
Nura,
on
watch
me.
Grim.
No, it's on.
Three stacks
Keep them
Liam.
up.
5 stacks Liam.
Coming in.
7, 8 Liam.
I'm in.
Oh,
What?
what?
Jesus, Dom.
5, 6. One tanky, I'm out.
Keep going, keep going.
Can we bloodlust, please?
Oh, decimation blade. Damn.
What doesn't really mean anything,
Keep
mate.
going, guys.
Shards incoming.
I mean,
I
we're
don't know
healing
where
for
that shard is.
loads now, Dom.
Where's that shard? Where's that
To the
shard, guys?
where my petties,
yeah,
where my
Clark's
petties.
got it. Clark's got it. Move back, Nura. Maybe you're a touch too close.
Yeah, we are healing for loads.
He's
Dom.
dead. This fucker's dead, mate.
I'm still got Leo
Well,
man.
who moved away there?
Come on, guys.
He's
I'm
down.
boom as fuck, man.
Shard incoming.
Don't worry about that.
Move, Grim. Move, Nura.
I think he's mate.
Well done.
Yeah,
Yeah,
good
good
job, guys.
job.
Well done.